You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Australia is currently facing a growing sunscreen scandal that has sparked shock, anger, and concern across the country and beyond. For a nation with the highest rate of skin cancer in the world, sunscreen is not just another cosmetic product. It's a vital health safeguard. Yet, in recent months, serious doubts have emerged about whether some sunscreens sold in Australia actually provide the protection promised on their labels. The controversy began when a consumer advocacy group tested several popular sunscreens and found that many did not deliver the SPF levels they claimed. One striking case involved Ultraviolet's Lean Screen Skin Screen, which was advertised as SPF 50+, but tested at only SPF 4. This product was voluntarily recalled in August, but that was just the beginning. Investigations by Australia's medicines regulator, the Therapeutic Goods Administration, that is, TGA, have since revealed even broader problems. The TGA found that more than 20 sunscreen products, many sharing the same base formula, might have significantly lower protection than advertised. Some were rated as low as SPF 4. In response, at least 18 products have now been recalled, withdrawn, or paused from sale, with more under review. Adding to the scandal are allegations about questionable testing practices at Princeton Consumer Research, that is, PCR, a US and UK-based laboratory used by several sunscreen brands. Two former employees have come forward, claiming that testing standards were compromised and corners were cut. They raised doubts about the integrity of the SPF results that many sunscreen companies had relied upon to certify their products. Emails and internal documents reviewed by investigative journalists suggest that incorrect methods may have been used in some tests, while data results appeared suspiciously consistent. Something experts say is almost impossible in SPF trials. Critics argue that if these claims are true, the trust of both sunscreen manufacturers and consumers may have been seriously undermined. The manufacturer of the base formula at the center of the scandal, Wild Child Laboratories, has stopped producing it and cut ties with PCR. The TGA has expressed significant concerns about PCR's role and has written to the lab, though no response has yet been received. Meanwhile, some sunscreen makers, including major brands, have already dropped PCR as their testing partner. For Australians, this issue hits particularly hard. It is estimated that 2 in 3 people in the country will face skin cancer at some point in their lives, and sunscreen plays a key role in prevention. Experts have urged the public not to abandon sunscreen use, stressing that most products remain safe and effective when used properly. However, the scandal highlights a deeper problem: the reliability of SPF testing itself. The TGA has acknowledged that SPF testing can be highly subjective and is now reviewing current standards. For now, Australians are being advised to keep using sunscreen while regulators work to untangle the mess. But the scandal has already sent ripples worldwide, raising important questions about how sunscreens are tested, certified, and trusted, not just in Australia, but globally. Stay subscribed for more videos.